Hello, welcome to Java Programming Tutorials, Chapter 23, Abstract Class versus Interface, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. So in this session, we are going to learn about the difference between the abstract class and interface. So before starting with the difference of abstract class and interface, let us understand the common things present between the abstract class and the interfaces. So keep in mind, abstract class and interface both are used to achieve the abstraction. I repeat, abstract class and interface both are used to achieve the abstraction, and also keep in mind interface and abstract classes both cannot be instantiated. You can't create an object of an abstract class as well as interface. These are the common things present between the interface and abstract class. But in the coming slide, we are going to learn about the difference between the abstract class and the interface. So here you can observe very clearly the first difference is abstract keyword used to declare the abstract class. Interface keyword used to declare the interface. So let me show you a demo of this. So let me jump into Eclipse. Here I have a project named abstract and I have a class called Java. So first let me show you how to define an interface. It's very simple, as I told you in my slide. We have to use interface keyword, interface demo. So my interface name is interface demo. So I'm sorry for that. Okay, this is how I'll define my interface. And now if I need to define an abstract class, so what I'll do is, to the default package, I'm going to add another class and I'll name the class as employee, and I'll click finish. So if I need to define an abstract class, then I need to make use of abstract keyword. So this is how I define abstract class as well as interface. I'll use interface keyword to define the interface. If I need to define the abstract class, I'll use abstract keyword. Okay, now let me jump back to presentation. So abstract class can have abstract and non-abstract methods, but interface can have only abstract methods. So what do you mean by this? So let me go back here. This is my abstract class, so it can have the abstract method, abstract demo. So this is the abstract method what it can have. Okay, abstract. Okay, I have to just type the return type here. So that's the reason. Okay, this is the abstract method, and abstract class can also have a non-abstract method. So let me show you how a non-abstract method looks. Public void public void print. So this is a abstract method and this is a non-abstract method. So any method which is having abstract keyword, I can call that method as abstract method, and any method which does not have abstract keyword, it is called non-abstract method. And abstract class can contain the both, and I proved this. You can observe very clearly it can have abstract and non-abstract methods, but keep in mind interface can have only the abstract methods. So let me show you that interface can have only abstract methods. So now let me check out. So abstract methods. So how to add abstract method? abstract abstract. It is print. So abstract. So it can have an abstract method, void abstract method, or by default if I don't need to add this thing like abstract keyword. Okay, you can observe very clearly interface can contain an abstract method, but it can't contain a non-abstract method. Suppose if I define something like this, public void okay, you can observe very clearly interface cannot have a non-abstract method, it can have only abstract method, but abstract class can have both abstract and non-abstract method. So let me remove this just now. So I hope you understood the second point here for the abstract class and the interface. And coming to the abstract class, does not support multiple inheritance. Interface supports multiple inheritance. So let me show you how interface supports multiple inheritance. It's very simple. So here we have a interface demo, and now let me define another interface price. So, and it can have a abstract method. So let me print that also, and here it is details. Okay, now what I'll do is I will show you like how inheritance interface supports interface supports multiple inheritance. So if I need to inherit this interface to this class, what I need to do is I need to make use of uh, implements, okay, demo comma price. So now when I over on this, it is telling like the type sample must be implemented the inherited abstract method. So my class sample is inheriting the demo and price interface. So it's the job of the sample class to provide the implementation to these two methods, print and sample. So what I'll do when I over on this, it is showing me the intelligence telling like add unimplemented methods. When I click on that, what the sample class does is it provides implementation to both print and price method. Okay, now let me show you how to do that. So now what I do is, so now I'll just make use of system dot out dot println. So now what I can tell is like I can tell like hello, I am details method. So let me end up with semicolon, and again let me copy this and I'll just paste in this print definition implementation. I am a print method. So now what I'll do is I will add a static keyword to, okay, I can't add a static keyword to the method implementation what I've provided here. So how can I call this methods? Okay, when I try to call this method, I'm getting an error here. You can observe very clearly, cannot make a static reference to non-static method details from the type sample. So at that point of time, what I can do is I need to create an object of the class sample. S is equal to new sample. So now when I do s dot details, you can observe very clearly I'm getting that. Again when I do s dot print, I'm getting that. So when I run the application, I'll get the output as hello, I am a detail method and print method. So this is what about the interfaces, and we achieved the multiple inheritance with the help of interface. But what I'll do right now is I'll just remove these things what I've done. I hope you understood this point very clearly. Like interface supports multiple inheritance, but abstract class does not support multiple inheritance. So let me show you that. It's very simple. So right now I'll remove this. I hope you understood this one. So I'm removing this part of code. So let me remove this too, and this one also. Okay, and now what I'll do is I have a employee class. So I'll just remove this. So now what I'll do is I'll inherit this abstract class to the employee. So I need to tell like extends, what is the class name? It's employee. When I over on that, it's telling like add unimplemented method. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to provide the definition to this demo. So what I tell is I will tell like it's very simple. System dot out dot println I'm a demo method. Okay, now how do I call a demo method? I can't call directly, so I'll create an object of the class sample. So when I do s dot, so now when I run the code, I'll get the output as I am a demo method. So what I'll right now do is I'll add another class. The class name is student. I'll click OK, and this student class is abstract class. So I'll add a method here. So it's void sam. This is the method. So what I'll do is I'm trying to do multiple inheritance for the abstract class. So I'll come here to the sample. You can observe very clearly I've already inherited the employee abstract class to the sample. Now I'm trying to inherit again the other abstract class, that is student. So if I try to do that, okay, and you can observe very clearly, okay, I'm getting a error here telling like annotation name expected instead. So I'm trying to inherit, okay, another abstract class to the class sample. And keep in mind, abstract class does not support that, okay, it does not support multiple inheritance. So that's the reason we're getting an error here. Okay, we can't inherit multiple abstract classes to a single class, we will get an error. But we can achieve that with the help of interfaces, as we saw like in the uh, last example. So let me remove this as of now. So when I remove that, what is the thing I'm going to get is the student. Okay, fine. So this is what we understood about the abstract class and the interface, the third point. And it can provide the implementation of the interface. Abstract class, it can provide the implementation of the interface, but interface, it cannot provide the implementation of abstract class. So let me show you that very clearly. So let me remove this as of now. Let me remove this, and I have an interface here, so let me remove that also. Okay, now let us understand the fourth point very clearly. So now what we can observe here is I have an interface and I have an abstract class too. So let me take only the employee abstract class and the interface demo. So first let us understand this point. Abstract class, it can provide the implementation of interface, in the sense I have an interface. To this, what I'll do is I'll extend the interface demo. So when I do that, okay, it implements. Oh, it's an interface. So you can observe very clearly, abstract class employee implements demo. So demo is an interface, in the sense abstract class can implement the demo, can inherit the demo, but vice versa is not possible. So what I'll do is I'll inherit this employee class to this sample. Implements, sorry, extends employee. So when I over on this, it's like add unimplemented methods. You can observe very clearly, okay, when I inherit the employee abstract class, okay, I'm inheriting that employee class to the class sample, employee's abstract class, and I'm providing the definition to the both methods, that is abstract demo method and the method which is present in the interface. You can observe very clearly here. So this is what we can do it, in the sense we can, okay, abstract class can provide the implementation for the interface, but keep in mind, interface cannot provide the implementation of abstract class. So let me show you that. So let me remove this. I hope you understood this one. It's very simple. So now what I'll do is I'll try to implement or inherit this abstract class to the interface. You can observe here. Extends employee. So type employee cannot be a super interface demo. Super interface must be a interface only, in the sense I can't, okay, I can't provide the implementation. I can't provide the implementation. Okay. Okay, that's the meaning of this sentence. So what I'm trying to tell you here is, okay, abstract class, it can provide the implementation of interface, but interface cannot provide the implementation of abstract class. So that is what the differences between the abstract and the interfaces. So now what we'll do is abstract class achieves partial abstraction, interfaces achieve fully abstraction. So this is what the difference is between the abstract class and interface. I hope you understood like what are the difference between abstract class and interface. So finally, thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training. You can also like our Facebook page visiting this URL. You can also follow us on Twitter. For further reference, refer our website. We are on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.